Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
The traditional and classic method of making Punjabi raw mango chutney. But before I tell you the recipe, it's Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Break away our false and misleading assumptions and presumptions. Bless us with keen curiosity, sharp sight and clear hearing, far-sighted vision, true knowledge and deep wisdom. And now for the recipe. But before that, raw mangoes growing in my gardens and tempting me to make something with them. Something different, something unique. But before that, benefits of raw mango. You can stop the video and go through and soak the ripe mangoes in natural water to remove Urushiol, the severely allergic mango toxin. But you can watch these videos which I have uploaded earlier to know in detail about how to remove Urushiol. Links are in the description. And now for the recipe. Raw mangoes, green chilies, onion and mint. That's all that we require as far as the vegetables are concerned. And yes, a pestle and a mortar, not a food processor or a food blender. No. Add all the vegetables, chopped, sliced, and when done, pound till a grainy paste is obtained. Keep pounding, have some patience and keep pounding. And finally, this is what it looks like. And now for some spices: jaggery, black salt, roasted cumin seeds, coriander powder and chili powder. And when done, pound gently and mix in well. Now when done, taste to check and add corrections if required, if any. No, none. Perfect. Pour the Punjabi raw mango chutney into a bowl and refrigerate till to be consumed.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear and above all your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.